BW Sports. Let's go!
Hey guys, today I am going to be making some slime. And today I have a helper with me. Her name is
Sophia. Hi guys.
And our goal is to make butter slime.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Alright guys, so as you can see our bowl is dirty because we recently tried making slime and this is what happened. Yeah, so as you can see it's not ideal. We were definitely not going for a mush texture. We were actually going for the exact opposite, a buttery slime texture. What hopefully was going to be butter slime turned into mush. Now we're gonna try again. Okay, we're going to add the glue.
You can add some of yours too.
Okay, I think that's a decent amount.
Oh yeah.
Okay, all right, that's a decent amount. So now we are going to add our blue dye. And I'm going for like a light blue instead of a darker blue because I really don't like darker blues as much as I love light blues. See, that's already a good color, but I'm gonna mix it in more. See, it looks like cotton candy or
yeah.
sky blue. That's what kind of blue I like. But I probably will add some glitter to this too.
Ooh, that'll be pretty.
Okay, that's a good color. Now we are going to make our activator. First, we're putting baking soda.
There we go.
I will go ahead and mix that in until it
That was
dissolves.
Half a teaspoon.
Okay, now we are going to add our, what is that called?
Contact solution.
Contact
And
solution.
there's about 1 tablespoon of that. I think I'll put a little more since we had to put more last time. It said 1.5 technically.
Okay, and I will mix that up.
Ooh, look at that.
So we recently tried making butter slime, but that didn't turn out so good. So now we're going for non-sticky regular slime. Because who likes sticky slime?
Ooh. Maybe add a bit more.
Okay. Another dot of blue.
There we go.
There we go.
Nice.
Mix that blue in.
That's looking really good.
Nice. So yeah, you about want to add 1.5 and maybe another half of activator to get your slime nice. I would just go until how you like it.
Look at that. It's still a little sticky.
It's still a little sticky.
It's getting there though. There we go. Woo.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah.
May have to work that in with your hands. There we go.
Okay, is low-key not that bad.
A little more might help, but we're getting there. Make a little like, yeah, there you go. And fold it over, yeah.
Oh, okay. We're
There
getting
we
there.
go. Yeah, and there's some in the bowl too, so you can always like drop it in there to get some.
Okay.
Ooh, it's starting to make slime sounds. There we go.
Wow. Feels like butter slime even though we didn't add the clay.
That's funny. There might have also been some clay on the edge.
Left over.
Yeah.
We also might have added too much clay.
Maybe.
Hey!
I'm gonna add a bit more activator.
Okay.
You can fold that.
Now, guys, is getting to a very nice consistency. I very much like it.
Looking good. And here we can roll it around the table too to get any remnants
Like
from the strings.
so. Okay. Yay! I've actually made slime.
Here, let's get some of that.
Oh,
Okay, Stretch. It was looking really good.
yes, queen.
And we didn't do too much either.
Yeah.
So that it didn't overactivate.
It's kind of rippy, but not that bad.
Yeah, that's okay.
Whoa! It's like the cheese
Nice.
pool.
Yeah, I think you need to go like slow with it.
Yeah.
Because if you go
Instead
too
of, like,
fast, it'll
that.
rip. Yeah. But I'm pretty sure that's normal for slime.
Alright, guys. Now I am going to get some glitter to add to this baby.
Ooh.
Alright, guys. I am back with the glitter. So I think I'm going to be going for this one right here since it looks kind of like my slime. And I think it will just add a bit of pop in it too. Okay, we have our glitter. Now let's go ahead and put it in there.
Oh, that's gonna look so pretty.
Now let's mix it in. It's my dog. Comment down below if you have a dog. They're a pain, but also fun. I think I'm gonna add a bit more.
Good idea.
Get it out. A middle in there.
And one note, the more you play with slime, the more it does overactivate. So sometimes you just have to let it sit after you've played with it for a little
Uh-oh, it's getting glittery. Woo! Yeah!
Ooh. Oh yeah.
And, the trick of glitter is to make a hole right in there. And then add your glitter. I'm also gonna add
Ooh.
some of this.
That's gonna be pretty.
And maybe just a spark of yellow. Perfect.
A little dash.
Little dash. Woo! Got glitter on my hand. The legends who can see the yellow, comment down below. Whoa.
Wow. Oh yeah, that's cool. Can you make like a bubble?
Maybe.
And then you can pop it.
Yeah. to spread it out though.
There you go. Ooh.
Ah. Okay. Let's try.
The glitter got pretty good coverage too, like it's all over, but you can still see it. You should put it up to the light, see if it shines. Yeah, look at that. Sparkly. Ooh, you want to do swirl? That's
Yeah.
smart.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video of me making my first ever slime. We're gonna clean out this bowl and put it in there. And see you next time on BW Sports.